Hi, in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to upload your ID on Coinbase application. So first of all, of course, you would like to go and download Coinbase application on your phone. Of course, if you don't have it on your phone, you would like to go and download it through Play Store if you're using an Android, App Store if you're using an iPhone, or any other store you could be possibly using. Then you would like to go and of course open the application, then click at getting started to create your account if you don't have an account. Then follow the steps to create your account, or you can just go and check one of our videos in the channel on how to create your account on Coinbase application or how to register on Coinbase application. So for me, I'm just going here and I'm going to open my Coinbase application. Of course, if you already have an account as well, you would like to go and ignore all of that, log into your account, and let's just get straight into this tutorial. So as you can see here, that will actually be your home or your main screen on Coinbase application. And if you want to actually upload your ID on Coinbase application, all you need to do, just go at the top left corner, just go and click at the three lines right here. So from here, we would like to select profile and settings, and from here you would like to tap at enable send and receive at the top of at the top right here. So as you can see, I don't have it right here. So if the option is not available, go to the Coinbase documents verification page. So how can you do that? Just go back from there. So if you were here, sorry, just go and click at this arrow right here. So then you'd like to go and click at your browser right here. So we're having connection issues. So for me, I'm not having any connection issues, but I'm using the Coinbase application from the a simulator, so I'll not have the full options to use this from browser. But for you, you can just go there to the browser, and all you need to do, just go to the verification page. So from there, you'd like to select your document type, follow the prompts to upload your ID documents. So once the steps are completed, the identity verification process is completed, and we'll be good to go. So that will be actually for this tutorial. I hope you guys like it. Thank you guys for watching, and goodbye.